You may be wondering, is the Casper Snap thinner and slimmer than the Casper Pro? Does it block blue light? Does it have privacy protection? Or is it just clear? How many applicators does it have? What does anti-reflective actually mean? Does it have one applicator? Does it come with a dust remover? These are some questions that we've gotten since we've released it. Let me quickly go over and answer those. Yes, it is slimmer and thinner. No, it does not block blue light. We do not yet have the privacy protector in the Casper Snap line. It only has one applicator. Anti-reflective glass is a type of clear glass with a special coating that reduces surface reflections down to less than 1%, letting more light pass through and making the glass appear almost invisible. This new technology is used in museums, retail displays, screens, eyewear, to provide a sharper visibility, richer colors, and a glare-free experience. And yes, it does come with the dust remover. The actual application is really simple. Like normal, you wipe down the screen with the wet wipe, removing all fingerprints, smudge, and smears. Then we can pass over it with the Casper microfiber cloth, followed up with the dust absorber to make sure we get every single last piece of dust that might have just fallen on it. Then we can put over in the correct orientation the Casper Snap mold, and while pressing down slightly we pull on the tab, pulling off the protector, and with the swipe of a finger we can compress the tempered glass against the screen, pull off the alignment mold, and carefully smooth out the edges. If needed, I'll make a more detailed video showing a real-life installation. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.